welcome to my channel. Today we are going to prove this equation. Okay, I hope you have learned the trigonometric basics. So here we are dealing with sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta. This we have to prove. Okay, first let me write down. Here you can clearly see that we have sin theta as common, so we can take sin theta as common. When we take sin theta as common and put bracket, here we can put 1. Okay, this means sin theta into 1 equal to sin theta. Okay, and here we will put minus, and here we can write 2 and sin square theta. Now observe this expression, sin theta into 1 equal to sin theta, and sin theta minus 2 sin square theta. Here the degree is 1 and this will get sin cube theta, and divided by, here also we have cos theta as common, so we will take cos theta as common and bracket. Here we will write 2 cos square theta. Okay, and here we will put minus, and same cos theta into 1. Now check, cos theta into 2 cos square theta equal to 2 cos cube theta, and cos theta minus cos theta minus 1 will get as minus cos theta. Okay, then okay, here we are getting sin theta divided by cos theta. This means what is the formula for tan theta? That is sin theta by cos theta. So we can write as this as tan theta. Okay, so now look carefully. We got tan theta and we require tan theta in RHS side, so we should prove LHS equal to RHS. So if we want to prove this as, if we want to equate this to RHS, we should equate this whole thing as 1. That means if this whole thing gets 1, if you multiply tan theta into 1, we'll get tan theta and we can prove easily. So this whole thing we should equate to 1. So how we should equate? See this. Okay, here 1 we can write as sin square theta plus cos square theta, right? Because sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. You can say that it is identity. So this is same as this, minus 2 sin square theta. Sorry, little bit got, please get adjusted. So we will put divided by, here also same way, 2 cos square theta we can write, and minus, so here we should put bracket because this will apply to the whole thing. So sin square theta plus cos square theta. If we not put bracket, minus will be applied to sin square theta only, so we should put bracket. So this is tan theta and this is same, here we will put bracket. Now see, sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta. Okay, we will put cos square theta here. Both are same. If you write minus sin square theta here, that also means same, and cos square theta, here what you will get, sin square minus 2 sin square theta, you will get as minus sin square theta, right? Yes, here also 2 cos square theta, this will get minus sin square theta, and here also minus into plus, it will get minus cos square theta. Means 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta equal to what? Cos square theta. Okay, here you will be getting minus sin square theta. So these are same. You can cancel out this whole thing, and when we cancel out, this means this value is going to be 1. Okay, so here we can write tan theta, this will be 1. That means nothing changes, this will be getting tan theta. So we have proved tan theta equal to tan theta. This means we have proved this equation, LHS equals to RHS. So hence proved. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any doubts regarding 10th CBSE maths questions, you can reply that in comment section. Thank you.